Welcome back, GlowFit fam. Today is all about classic tabata training. Tabata is one of the most effective high-intensity workouts out there. It's simple but intense. 20 seconds of exercise, 10 seconds of rest. Repeated for 8 rounds, all focused on just one exercise. For today, we're sticking with burpees, one of the ultimate full-body moves. If you're new to burpees or need a modification, don't worry, we'll cover that too. Stick around because today's session will push you to new limits. Tabata training is all about intensity and focus. It's not just random exercises, it's a scientifically proven method to improve your performance, endurance, and calorie burn in a short time. The key is sticking to one exercise for all 8 rounds. This pushes your body to its limit, builds stamina, and burns more calories. Plus, it's great for mental toughness when you commit to one move. You feel the burn and truly challenge yourself. What is Tabata training? 20 seconds workout, 10 seconds rest, and 8 rounds. To get the best results, place your device laptop, mobile, or tablet in front of you and follow along with us. This way, you can stay engaged, perform each move correctly. Tabata training is all about intensity and focus. It's not just random exercises, it's a scientifically proven method to improve your performance, endurance, and calorie burn in a short time. The key is sticking to one exercise for all 8 rounds. This pushes your body to its limit, builds stamina, and burns more calories. Plus, it's great for mental toughness when you commit to one move. You feel the burn and truly challenge yourself. Exercise of the day, burpees. Today's exercise is the burpee, a killer full-body move that works your arms, chest, legs, core, and even your cardio fitness. How to do a full burpee. Start in a standing position. Drop into a squat and place your hands on the floor. Kick your legs back into a high plank position. Perform a push-up, if possible. Jump your feet back toward your hands. Explode upward into a jump, reaching your arms overhead. Tip burpees combine strength and cardio in one explosive move, making them perfect for Tabata. How to modify with a half burpee? Start in a standing position. Drop into a squat and place your hands on the floor. Kick your legs back into a high plank position. Bring your legs back to the squat position without performing a push-up or jump. Stand back up. Tip: half burpees are a great option if you're just starting out or want to reduce the intensity while still getting a great workout. Tabata routine, 8 rounds of burpees. Keep pushing. You've got this. Now, it's time to dive into our Tabata session. Remember, each round is just 20 seconds of burpees followed by 10 seconds of rest. That's 8 rounds total. Let's crush it. Round 1, perform burpees with as much intensity as possible. Ten-second rest. Take a deep breath, shake it out, and get ready for the next round. Rest. Rounds 2 to 8. Continue performing burpees with consistent effort. Remind viewers to switch to half burpees if they're struggling. Rest. Rest. Remind viewers to switch to half burpees if they're struggling. Complete your 30-day bodyweight challenge with confidence. Stay consistent, push yourself, and remember, watch this video till the end and repeat it as many times as needed to memorize the movements. Halfway there, you're a warrior. Post-workout cool-down. Take a moment to cool down after this intense session. Stretch your arms, legs, and back to release tension and aid recovery. Hydrate well, you've earned it. Why stick to tabata rules? By sticking to the classic tabata rules, 1 exercise, 8 rounds, you're giving your body the consistency it needs to improve performance. This approach builds endurance, trains your muscles for efficiency, and pushes your calorie burn to the next level. Even if it feels tough now, sticking with it will make you stronger and fitter over time. That's it for day 5, Glow Fit fam. You've crushed a true tabata session, proving how strong and capable you are. If you loved today's workout, hit that like button, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments below. Let's keep growing stronger every day. See you tomorrow for day 6.